Mountain survival knife. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Blades. So today, what I'm going to do is make a whole bunch of blade blanks. Okay, so stick around, wait till the end of the video. appreciated that video. These are all 5160. 5160, I had some bar stock laying around and I was able to make 10 of them. All right, this is the most similar or the most like the Master Chief. If you remember the Master Chief blade, the Master Chief was a first design that I ever came up with. It was more like a large camp knife, all right? Then we went from the Master Chief to the Wilderness Bowie. Wilderness Bowie, a little bit longer, as you can see, a little bit longer, more of a Bowie clip. And then finally is going to be the Mountain Survival Knife, right? The Mountain Survival Knife, again, like I said, still has that round spear point, which is really what I wanted for a survival knife, something with a spear so you can actually get into some type of wood. If you needed to, you could do a little bit of prying action, so it's going to be a stout tip, but you will be able to do a little bit of carving. Also, I added a finger choil here, that finger choil, so you can get up really, really close. This is a 6-inch blade with a 6-inch handle, and it has plenty of space. I have an extra large hand, as you can see right there, so if you needed to use it with gloves, you could. 3 pinholes, 2 for solid pins and 1 for a lanyard. That lanyard is going to help you wield back if you need to do some chopping as a survival knife. Again, 5160 is spring steel, so it is carbon steel. You will have to take care of it. I do have coating options up on the website if you want, such as gun blue, or if you want Cerakote, we could also do Cerakote. Very large, heavy duty blade. Again, I can't stress enough, this is a really, really nice blade. I'm going to send these all to heat treat. If you are somebody that really liked the Master Chief, this is almost the exact same thing. The difference here is that this is 3/16 and this is a 1/4 of an inch thick. So it gets a little bit bigger, right? I'm not making the Master Chief anymore. I know I said I would think about it, but again, there's so many better styles out there. And again, if you have not already gotten the Wilderness Bowie, I only have one left, all right? So it is a larger blade. This is a stouter blade, but shorter. This has a 7-inch blade, this has a 6-inch, all right? This is 3/16, which makes it a little bit longer and thinner. This is a 1/4 of an inch. So you kind of get the style that I'm going for, right? Tough, heavy duty wilderness blades. This is going to be a little bit harder to find, again, because I ran out. I have one left. And if you're on the website, go ahead and get it. So what I need you guys to do, again, is to like, subscribe, share, add some comments down below if you're interested in this. I'm going to put these up on the website for pre-orders. Pre-orders mean that they're not going to be available right away, but you'll be one of the first persons to get them. All right, so it's very simple. You do your pre-order. Again, you decide. There's all little buttons there if you want coating, not coating, what kind of grind, that kind of thing. Typically, it's going to come with some type of flat grind or saber grind. That's it. But if you want something different, you could also pick those out. Also, make sure that you are on my mailing list. Go to threeriverblades.com, go all the way down to the bottom, first name, last name, and your email address. That is the only place that you're going to get discounts for these blades. I'm not sending them anywhere else. So if you're not on that mailing list, you're missing out on some saving. Also, if you want to become a Patreon member only costs you $1 a month, and you get to watch videos like this before anybody else. You also get to jump on what's coming up next. All right, guys. So thank you very much. Really appreciate you supporting the channel, and as always, be safe.